Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a simple yet effective DIY collagen gel that will help keep your skin hydrated, nourished and glowing naturally. So stay tuned, I'll be right back to give you all the items details.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to boost your skin elasticity and moisture, this homemade collagen gel is a must try. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So for this recipe, we'll be using simple and natural ingredients, all of which have incredible benefits for the skin. Here is what you will need: 2 fresh aloe vera leaves. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that help soothe, hydrate and repair the skin. So we also need a tablespoon of coconut oil, which is totally optional. This deeply hydrates and nourishes the skin, making it softer and smoother. If you have oily skin, you can skip this step. Okay, so the third thing we're going to be needing is a tablespoon of vitamin E oil. This enhances aloe vera's natural antioxidant properties, helps fight free radicals and promotes youthful looking skin. We're also going to need a tablespoon of gelatin. Gelatin is rich in collagen, which helps improve skin elasticity. I keep making mistake with that. Elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines. Then we also need 2 tablespoons of rose water and glycerin. So rose water soothes and refreshes the skin, while glycerin locks in moisture and gives the gel a lightweight texture. So let's get started. First, you saw me washing the aloe vera leaves. I washed them thoroughly and then sliced them open and scoop out the fresh aloe vera gel using a spoon. Then I set it aside while I melted my coconut oil. So the next thing I did was to add the aloe vera gel into the blender. I also added vitamin E, coconut oil, rose water and glycerin into the blender and blended until it's smooth. So in a separate bowl, I dissolved the gelatin in warm water, which you're seeing me doing now. So I'm going to dilute this with a warm water from the kettle. It has already been boiled, so this is to avoid any lumps. Then I'm going to pour it inside the blender with the rest of the ingredients, and I blended one more time to get a silky consistency. So guys, if you've watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, comment and tell me what you think about this DIY mixture I'm making, the collagen I'm making at home. Let me know if you have ever tried any DIY collagen serum. Okay, so to ensure the gel is smooth and free from any lump, I strain it before transferring it into a clean storage container. So for storage, keep this homemade collagen gel in the fridge for up to 1 week to maintain its freshness. It contains natural ingredients with no preservatives, so it's best to make small batches. Okay, so the way to use this is to apply it on a clean dry face, preferably at night. Massage it in a circular motion to boost circulation and promote better absorption. You can leave it for up to 20 minutes and rinse it off, or for an extra hydration boost, leave it on overnight as a moisturizing mask. So guys, don't worry about the texture you're seeing right now. So once it cools down, you see that the texture is going to increase, like it's going to get thickened. So you're going to use this gel 2 to 3 times a week to keep your skin plump, soft and nourished, but avoid using it every day, as too much collagen application might cause dryness. If you have a sensitive skin or a condition like dermatitis, always consult a dermatologist before adding anything new to your routine. Some people may be sensitive to aloe vera, so always do a patch test by applying a small amount on your arm. Wait for a few hours to see if you have any reaction before applying it to your face. So guys, this is how this gel is looking like on my skin. Fully hydrated, glowing In fact, I just love this. I've been using this. This is the second time I am making this batch for myself because I noticed after using it the first time, I do have some pimples on my face, like some acne on my face once it's getting to my monthly period or my ovulation, and the acne is too much on my side, like on the side of my cheek, on the right side of my cheek. So after applying this really works wonder, and I love this. So I decided to share this with you guys so that you can, it also helps to reduce wrinkles. You see the way I'm applying this in a circular form, and yeah, that is the best way to do it. And don't forget guys, just store it in your fridge. Make sure you make a small batch so that it will not go bad. So this is after 20 minutes that I have applied this on my face, and yeah, I will go out, it's completely dry. I'll just go ahead and rinse it off, and this is my face after I've rinsed it off without any cream on my face. And that is it for today's DIY. I hope you found this recipe helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more natural skincare and tips and beauty hacks. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this collagen gel, or if you have any DIY skincare recipe you would love to share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.